Now we shall come to another phenomena, that is dispersion of light in nature and what causes the rainbow. You must have already noticed several times in your life or several times within a year, rainbow formation. It forms after a rainfall. It is also seen, this rainbow color formation is also seen in a waterfall or a fountain. Where the tiny droplets of water are drizzling out, you can see the rainbow formation. Now, when the sunlight falls on the water droplet suspended in the atmosphere after rainfall, rainbow form due to dispersion of light. The water droplets suspended in the air acts as a prism. That is the reason why we see the rainbow. Now, how does it happen? Rainbow is an example of dispersion of sunlight. The formation of rainbow after sunlight can be understood in a very simple process. If you take, for example, a droplet of water suspended in the air, the sunlight is reflected as it enters in the droplets of water. This reflected sunlight splits or disperses into 7 different colors or the constituent colors of white light. The water droplets suspended in the air behaves like a glass prism and breaks the white light into 7 different segments of light or the fragments of light. The red color deviates the red color deviates the least, and the maximum is in case of the the red color deviates the least and the violet color deviates the maximum. Now, most colors of the reflected sunlight fall on the opposite face of the water droplet. Now, each color is partly reflected back into the drop. The reflected colors on reaching the lowermost surface of the water droplet, reflect back into the drop, and the lowermost, as the reflected colors reach the lowermost surface of the water droplet, they are again reflected back into the air. Thus we get the spectrum of 7 colors, which is also known as a rainbow. Now, what are the conditions for this rainbow? What should be the condition to formation of the rainbow? Number 1, there should be suspended particles of water in the air. Second is, rainbow is observed during a rainfall or after a rainfall, not while rainfall. It is either during a rainfall or after rainfall, not before. Secondly, when we look a water fountain, provided the sun is back of the observer, the sunlight has to be behind. We don't see a rainbow just in front of a sun. If the sun is behind, we can see the rainbow ahead of us. These are the normal conditions required for rainbow formation.